Do I actually want to do this? Do I actually want to do this, Sharell? You've never dyed your hair before. Okay. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Hey, so today we're dyeing my hair. I'm so excited, but I'm so low-key like kind of nervous. If I procrastinate, it's not gonna happen. So I'm just trying to get the show on the road. Okay, I have these two colors right here. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a honey blonde color, bronze. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. As you can see, my hair is very, very dark black. I don't know how light my hair will get. I don't want my hair like blonde. Like I don't want my hair to be blonde. I don't care if it doesn't go like the picture, because that's not my goal. Like I wouldn't want my hair to be this light. I just want my hair to be like a light brown, well, like a dark brown, well, like a medium brown. Like I'm very tired of my hair, so we're gonna do something with this. I've never dyed my hair before. My hair has always been black my whole life. I've decided to live on the edge and we're gonna dye it. So first things first, I need to take this out my head. I detangled my hair. I took that style out, detangled my hair. I don't know if I should wash my hair before. I'm thinking no, because I don't think you're supposed to wash your hair before you do stuff to it. I don't know. So I decided that I'm going to do a test piece because I don't want to do my whole head and not be a mess. I forgot to mention that I have a hair appointment tomorrow to get my hair straightened. So if I'm looking a mess, then like it's like I can't. It has to be cute before I go. I'm gonna do bronze because I want majority of my hair to be bronze. I don't want it to be like super light. I just want like little pieces throughout to be light, not the whole thing. Let me read the instructions because baby, I don't want any mishaps to happen. There's too many words, baby. Okay, so hold on, let me figure this out because why? Okay, step one. So I just mix this with this. It has like steps on it. Step one, step two. So we're just pouring this in here. Yeah, I'm so nervous. Is this even gonna be enough to cover my whole head? What? I should have got two. What was I thinking? Okay, I might have to go back and get another one. Like I might have to go back and get another one. So I think this is good enough. I shake it up for like 2 minutes. I want to go ahead and put the gloves on so I can actually start applying the stuff on my hair. Y'all, I'm so nervous. But I know it's gonna be cute, but like what if it doesn't? Because I've been watching so many Brad Mondo videos and like baby, they be going through it. It'd be a whole ordeal and I don't want to have a whole ordeal. Like I just want it to be like ooh, it's such a cute mistake I made. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Like, wait. Okay, wait. Do I actually want to do this? Do I actually want to do this, Sharell? You've never dyed your hair before. And what? No, you doing it. You wouldn't have spent your money on this, and you doing it. So come on, okay? I'm doing it. 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 She doing it. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. Is that it? Like, is that enough? I feel like, I don't know. Should I add more? See, the curls popping though. Okay, I want to add more. Is my hands burning? Or am I tripping? I'm going to leave this alone and I'm going to let it sit for however long does it say to sit. So it says to sit for 30 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes and we're going to see. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay. 30 minutes and counting.
So I'm gonna see y'all in 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and why is my hair still black? I put the lumen foil on there so like I'm not, the math ain't mathing. Like I'm not understanding. We're gonna do this one more time. Maybe I didn't put a whole bunch because Brad Mondo said to lather it up. So gotta lather it up. I put a lot on here this time and we're gonna try this one more time because that was a waste of my 30 minutes. Like I'm trying to see if I should do my whole head or not. It's real ghetto down here, but we're gonna make it work. So it's on there again. We're gonna try one more time. If this don't work, that means that it just wasn't meant to be. Like I was like, you wasn't supposed to be dyeing your hair, Sharell. Like you weren't supposed to be doing that and now it's on you. So set a timer for 30 minutes. So I'll see y'all in another 30 minutes to see if this works. Hopefully it worked, because if it don't work, like I'm gonna be sad, but then I'm gonna be happy because I'm done. But like maybe that was just like the universe telling me don't be dyeing your hair, like it's gonna turn out horrible. But if it don't happen again, I'm still gonna dye it again. I'm gonna try again. I'm just gonna do my whole head because hey, I don't listen to the universe all the time. Okay, so it's been another 30 minutes and my hair still looks black. Like I kind of see it lightening just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell on camera, like you definitely can't tell because like I can barely tell unless I like get up close to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my whole head. I'm just gonna go ahead and section off the back of my head. And I'm pretty sure this can't damage my hair. Like if I keep this in too long, I'm pretty sure it can't like fry my hair off because it's not bleached. I don't know what it is, but I know it's not bleached. Well, I don't know, it probably is bleach, I don't know. If it fried that piece off, oh well. At this point, like what more can I do? This stank. Ooh, this stank. I might have to open my bathroom door because I need some ventilation and some circulation and some penetration and some variation because this is not smelling good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and explain what I was doing because I didn't go into this with a plan. I was literally just making it up as I go. So when I was explaining this, you can see I'm talking in like the video, but as I'm explaining, it's not making any sense because I had no idea what I was doing in the first place. So basically, I was taking little pieces, as you can see here, of my hair, and then I would put the lighter blonde dye on the small pieces as if they were highlights, and then I would basically take a big section of my hair and do it with the darker dye, which was bronze, I think. So I did that for my whole entire head. I was taking really small sections of the lighter dye and just coating that with the dye because I wanted like a highlight look, but I didn't want it to come out streaky. You know how the streaky hair be looking, and I didn't want that. And I was getting my hair straightened the next day, so baby, no, I had to make sure that they were small. So I'm just doing that for the remainder of my head. I also made sure that I did not go up to my roots because I watched Brad Mondo, and I know if you go up to the roots will light in faster than the other parts of your hair. And I also did not go up to my roots because as you can see early in the video, I was stressing about not having enough dye. So I was planning on going around again and doing my roots, but I ran out of dye. But I kind of like how it turned out anyway without dyeing my roots, so I feel like it's fine. But yeah, I'm not going up to my roots at all in this first part. So after I finished coating my hair and all the dye, I ended up letting it sit for way longer than 30 minutes because after 30 minutes, it was not light at all. I'm pretty sure I should have knew that because when I did the test piece, it took like an hour for me to even see some results. But I let this sit in my hair for like so long, I don't even remember. And then at that point, it was still not light enough. So at this point, I knew that I was gonna have to let it sit for way longer because look, it's not even light at all. Like baby, it's giving brown. It's giving dark brown. It's not giving blonde. So I knew I was gonna have to let it sit longer, but then I was debating on if I wanted to lighten my roots in the front because I knew I wasn't gonna have enough dye for my whole head. But I was like, maybe I could just do the front, and I'm just sitting here looking like, should I do it? Should I not? And I decided that I should, but I needed to let the rest of my hair lighten first because baby, I'm not having no light skin roots with no dark skin ends. Like it's not gonna work like that. So I was like, I just need to let the rest of my hair sit. Then I ended up going into my roots with the lighter dye actually because I ran out of the darker dye. So my plan was to just not let it sit as long because I knew that my roots could get light because that was the blonde dye, and baby, I don't want no blonde roots and no dark ends, as I said before. So I just went in and I only did it around the front, and then I did it like in between the parts of the front, as you can see right there, and then I also did it down the middle of my hair because I know that I like to part my hair down the middle when I get my hair straightened. Like I'm not really a side part type of girl, but you know, in case the wind blow or nothing, you don't want to like you. So I did the sides as well, but I was mainly focused on the middle part and the like front part of my hair right there, like where the little widow's peak whatever right there, because that part was stubborn, and I just rubbed that all over my hair, and then I let it sit again for probably like another 20 minutes maybe. So then I washed the dye out of my hair, and then now you'll be able to see the results on my curly hair, and then you'll see the results on my straight hair after my hair appointment. Okay, don't mind the TV. My nephew, he likes to watch the TV on 87, but I like it. Look, this is, it's like a ginger color. But then y'all get to see true color because it'll be a natural light tomorrow. So don't worry that you can't see the color, but you'll see it tomorrow. So I'll see y'all then. So I'm sitting in my car. I'm waiting outside for my hair appointment. And I'm trying to show you guys in natural light what my hair looks like. But it's not, it's giving black when it's not black at all. So this is the final results of my hair. I'm doing a voiceover because it just seemed like I cannot talk in videos. Like I don't be making sense. But look at them pics of me on the side. I inserted a little pic of me on the side, a couple videos so y'all could see how I actually look, because I was not getting good footage. But yeah, I really liked how it turned out. I don't know how like it turned out like this, but I really like it. I like how all of it is not the same color, like it's light and dark in some places. I was kind of feeling like the highlight thing was pointless, but I think that it actually added something to it because my hair is not the same color all over and I actually like it like that. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoy, you can subscribe if you want to. But yeah, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye. You're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.